Hello, my name's Chris, and welcome to the fourth video of the How It Works series, Final Slab Selection. Now, the templating portion of the process has now been completed, and the technical drawing has been sent to our fabrication facility to be evaluated. What's next? It's time to select the exact slab which will be used for your project, the edge profile, and to set the installation date. Now, keep in mind that once slab and edge selections have been made and finalized with the production manager, the project will enter the production phase and changes can no longer be made. The final slab and edge selections can be completed either in person or over email. If you select an exotic stone or a stone with busy patterns, veining, or color variations, we do recommend completing your final slab selection in person at the slab yard of your initial visit. And at this time, the required amount of slabs will be pulled from their frame, and our experienced sales associate will guide you through the selection process. Marble.com offers a wide range of edges, from our standard edges such as straight or quarter round to premium such as OG or DuPont, and laminated edges which can be customized to your liking. Stone with consistent patterns with little to no variations such as solid color quartz or granite will not require an in-person selection. Our templating technician will simply collect the stone sample at the time of his visit to the job site, and all other project details may be confirmed over a phone call. If you're unable or unwilling to visit our yard for the final slab selection, confirmation of the slabs used for the project can be completed over email. Note that in order to proceed with an email confirmation, you must notify our sales staff. Now, once the photos of the slab pieces that will be used for your project have been received, click the I approve these slabs button to finalize the confirmation. The last steps of the confirmation process are always the same. Now you'll speak with the production manager either in person or over the phone, and will verify all additional details, such as confirm which sinks will be used for the project, additional faucet holes that may need to be drilled, or any other features you may want to select. It's at this time that the date of your installation will be set and the final invoice will be presented to you. Thanks for watching, and join us for the last video of the How It Works series, where we'll take a look on how to prepare your home for stone installation.